International Tea Day (ITD). First International Tea Day (ITD) is being celebrated by United Nations on 21st May. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) will lead the observance of the day. The aim is to raise awareness of the long history and the deep cultural and economic significance of tea around the world. Agave Chitra Magna. It is a magnetic nanoparticle based RNA extraction kit for use during testing of the detection of COVID-19. Developed by Sri Chitra Trunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technologies SCTIMST along with Agap Diagnostics Limited, an in vitro diagnostics manufacturing company based in Cochin. The kit can be used for RNA extraction for RT-LAMP, RT-qPCR, RT-PCR and other isothermal and PCR-based protocols for the detection of SARS-CoV-2. Significance: Agape Chitra Magna RNA isolation kit, priced at around rupees 150 per kit, is expected to reduce the cost of testing and countries' dependence on imported kits, which cost around rupees 300. What is China's May 4th movement? It is an intellectual revolution and socio-political reform movement that occurred in China on May 4th in 1919. The movement unfolded sparked by the refusal of delegates at the Paris Peace Conference to return former German colonies in China to Chinese sovereignty at the conclusion of World War I. The students protested not only Western imperialism but their own government's weakness. What is sonic boom? A sonic boom is said to occur when an object travels through the air faster than the speed of sound and creates shock waves. This can lead to a huge emission in energy, usually in the form of sound, which can be similar to an explosion of thunderclap. Effects: the sonic boom is a continuous sound which is emitted by the aircraft all the while it is traveling at a supersonic speed. If the aircraft is flying at a low altitude, the sonic boom may also lead to tremors similar to earthquakes and shattering of glass.